How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find the volume of an object in Onshape. Now, in my case, I have this simple shape right here that has been made using sketches and extruding it. And basically, to proceed, what you want to do is to just navigate through the Onshape plane or the main menu itself. And at the bottom corner of your screen, you will be able to see a setting called Display Mask and Section Properties. Now, it's going to be a lot harder to see because it's on the bottom of your screen and it's really small. So just click on it and basically this menu will show up. In here, it will say that you need to point what you want to measure. So to proceed, you can then click on the shape that you want to measure. So in our case, it's going to be this one. It will then say that you need basically materials to define it. Now it doesn't really matter because from here we will be able to see the volume itself. So it's going to be this one. You can also see the surface area. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.